we're really excited to start offering the Hemp Mama brand internationally. And I know you've been working on that with logistics and supply chain. So do you want to tell everybody, kind of what to expect with that brand?
Yeah, so right now it's all in Canada, right? So as far as international goes, we have Hemp Mama available there, and we have limited Hemp Mama styles available in the EU right now. So we are going to try and work on getting some of those other styles into the EU, because I know all of our EU affiliates and customers are looking forward to that brand. So that's one thing that we're working on. I don't have all the details on that figured out just yet, but this is something that we are working towards so that everybody can access this brand.
And then I'm going to turn it over to Jen for just a few to talk a little bit about some mastermind updates. And then she's going to tell you a little bit about this new 2.0 opportunity presentation. And then I'll go into some of the 2.0 tech stuff.
Okay, so real quick about Mastermind. We had opened up several tickets and rooms available to our inner circle. They have until 3 p.m. today to finish out getting their team booked for Mastermind. After 3 p.m., if there are any rooms or tickets left, we are going to open this up to our CEO communication channel. So if you are on Telegram, make sure you're in there so that you can see the announcement coming through after 3 p.m. Pacific today. So if we have rooms left, I'm going to open it up to you guys that are in there. So if you're not in there, make sure you get in there. If your teams are not in there, make sure they get in there. I think there's almost about 500 people in there now. So that should help us get the rest of the venue packed out and ready to roll for Mastermind. My second update for Mastermind is for the people who did qualify and earned the $500 or the $1,000, which is for international. I want just to be clear about this. You will be given this credit to either your credit wallet or to your commissions upon check-in at the hotel. So when you check in, we will be able to track that you're actually here, and then we will credit your account with either your commission or your credit wallet, however you want, for those who qualified, and that's how we will reimburse you. This is going to be how it works from now on for all events that for people that qualify, just going forward. Okay, so my next update here is our brand new opportunity presentation. I am so excited about this. Our design team probably hates me right now because we had to do so many edits. I'm like, no, it has to be perfect. But we finally got it down, and it's finally amazing, and I can't wait to show you guys, but I can't show you guys just yet. And the reason why is because all the new changes in 2.0 are going to be reflected in this opportunity presentation. So the way we're going to showcase this out is tomorrow we're going to show our inner circle leaders this opportunity presentation. There will be a private viewing for them. And then March 17th, we're going to hold another private viewing for our 25K ranked leaders and above to attend. And then we're going to open it up to the rest of the company after 2.0 has officially launched. So that way we can start getting our leaders trained up, and then it's going to go out to the rest of the field. Okay, so with that being said, I'm going to turn it back over to Josh to talk about 2.0 and kind of what's ahead.
Just before I do that, I want to say that in 7 or 8 years in MyDailyChoice, we've had a lot of presentation decks. We've had a lot of presentations throughout the years. When we've added brands, now we have a new deck. So we've always gone through a cycle of presentations. And I'm not saying this just to blow smoke or just to hype it up, but this presentation is the best presentation that we have done as a company. The slides are so on point. Almost every slide, the flow of it, the way it presents MyDailyChoice, everybody should grab a hold of this presentation once it's live and just start running, doing events, doing Zoom presentations, or using our new live stream that we're going to talk about. But I would definitely get out there and crush it with this. It looks really good, and really excited, like Jen said, for you guys to see it.
And we are going to be turning it into a video also. So now that we have kind of our roadmap for how the video is going to go. We're going to start working on putting it into a video format so it's easy to share. So you don't necessarily have to master being a presenter. You can just share the presentation instantly. All right.
All right. So now we're going to talk a little bit about some new features. And before I do that, let's have everybody on the Zoom throw, what kind of emoji should they throw? They already did fire emojis.
Let's do a money bag.
A money bag. Okay. Do a money bag emoji if you guys want to see a sneak peek at some of the new features, new tech stuff. All right. Money bags everywhere. All right. I'm going to share my screen and then, all right. So I'm going to show you guys a couple things. So the first one is the contact manager. So right now, the screen that you see, we are currently in the new MyDailyChoice user back office for affiliates. And so, one of the things that Jen really wanted was a little bit of a different contact manager, because as you're out there in the field, you're building your business, you need to be able to quickly contact everybody in your team. So this contact manager is much different than the current one on the system. And I'll explain to you what some of the differences are. So the first difference is this is showing not just level 1, it's showing all levels through your organization. Okay, so you can see, all levels in your team. And if you also look at if you look 4 columns in where it says the name, it has the person's name, there's a little chat bubble next to each person. And if you click that chat bubble, it'll enter you into live chat with that specific person. That's one of the challenges currently with the live chat module that we have in the current system is it's very hard to find people to chat with them. Well, this solves it because you can search by ID, you can search by name, you can search by rank, and every person has this chat bubble next to them so you can chat with them.
I also like that it shows if they're on a subscription or not.
Yeah, that's a huge deal, right? We're tracking if they are on a subscription or if they haven't set up a subscription yet. So you can easily go through your whole organization and say, look, this person's on subscription, this person's not, this person needs to place an order, this person hasn't yet. It gives you like full visibility over your team and being able to start making contacts quickly. So what I think is going to happen when we launch 2.0 is you're going to see a lot of leaders spending a lot of time in the contact manager because you can get a lot of work done and you can drum up a lot of business just by getting in here, making connections, getting people on subscription, and making contacts. Another thing that is really cool is the tracking, bonus trackers. This is one thing that a lot of leaders have asked for. I know you wanted it at one time, like, hey, how can we really track our bonuses? So there's a couple different trackers that are in place. One is for the rank achievement bonuses. So, in the MyDailyChoice comp plan, there's a one-time rank bonus and there's also a monthly rank bonus. Well, this page is going to light up every time you hit a one-time bonus. So you'll see like the top line here will light up every time you get to the next level for your one-time bonus. And then it'll also show you, which of the monthly bonuses you're at as well. So this is just a really cool way to track, all of your one-time and monthly rank bonuses. I'm going to let them catch up for just a second. Good? All right, cool. Another one is the global bonus pool. A lot of leaders have asked for this as well. Like, hey, can we track our shares? So this page will track number of enrollments and it'll track number of shares, but it'll also show you who all of those users are that you've personally enrolled. So you can see their ID number, what they ordered, their BV, the date that they ordered, and how many shares you have in the global bonus pool. Another cool report that we've added is a top earner report. We've never had anything like this in the company before, where you can go through your organization and you can actually see how much every person in your organization has earned. So not only can you recognize enrollments, but you can also recognize, earnings. You can reach out to people that are earning a lot because somebody could earn a lot, but they may not necessarily be ranked yet, right? Like they could be enrolling a lot of people, but you may not have that current insight in your back office currently. So this gives you just a really cool way to scroll through your organization, find your top earners, connect with them, you know, and start building bigger. I really love this one, which is a decline report. Once again, we've never had anything like this before. This is the ability to see all of the failed subscriptions in your organization. So think of it this way. Subscriptions are running every month, right? And some people fail and some people have a successful transaction. Well, some of the people that fail don't always know that they failed. And so it's a process of the upline reaching out saying, hey, you know, you failed on your subscription. We need to get we need to help you get your order in, or how can I help you get your order in? But we've never had that insight before. This gives you the ability to see every failed subscription in your team. I think you guys are going to crush it with this, especially, you know, a lot of the top leaders that like reaching out to, you know, their teams and making connections into deeper levels. I mean, this is the perfect report to be able to do that. And if you can see in the second column, it says name, and then there's a little hyperlink under the name. Well, if you click that hyperlink, it's going to take you right into the contact manager for that specific user. So you can either live chat with them, you know, pick up the phone and call them, send them an email. You have like full visibility as to what's going on in your organization with declines. Also a rank report. We're going to list all of the ranks in your team from top to bottom, and you'll be able to see, you can search by user, you can see level, you can see their highest rank versus their current rank. It's all color coded, it looks amazing, functions great. So really excited for you guys to be able to do this. This is for, you know, like super affiliates, for 500K affiliates, top leaders in the company. This report is critical for you guys to be able to see all of your ranked leaders and start reaching out to them. So make sure you guys are using this report. There's one more report that I really wanted to show you guys on this webinar, but I wasn't able to, but you can see it on the left-hand navigation, which is the binary qualification report. That report will show you a list of all of the people in your organization that are binary qualified and everybody who's not binary qualified, so that you can reach out to the people who aren't and help them get binary qualified. It will also, that report, even though I don't have it to show you, that report will also show you how close they are to getting binary qualified. So it'll show you, like, here's their left leg volume, here's their right leg volume, you know, are they close to 300 BV? It shows you all of that in the report. So really excited that, you know, we'll have that one too. All right, live stream. So, you know, I was playing around with live stream. I wanted to show you guys this. I thought it was just super cool. But the way it works is you go into the live stream page in the back office, and it connects right into your camera and your audio, just like Zoom does. So it connected right into my video. And when I was setting up the live stream, these were the two products that I pre-selected. It was the full spectrum tincture and this merchandise. We're not going to put merchandise on, you know, Hemp Mama will be on the live stream, but like some of the merchandise here won't. I was just playing around so we could test the technology. But check this out. This is my view as the streamer, right? So I was here in my office going like this. The screen looked really good. The audio was clear. But here's what the viewers would see. This is going to be their view. Okay, so when they're viewing it, they'll see live chat on the right-hand side. They'll see the stream, which will be, you know, you or the presenter. And then on the left-hand side, as you click select on the products, they're going to appear right here on the stream. And so what's so cool about this is, think of it this way. When you're starting to, you know, you schedule a live stream, and like, let's say in this case, it was all about Hemp Mama. Jen's doing a Hemp Mama stream, and this cropped hood black heather is the one that she's wearing. She's wearing it on the stream, talking about it, and boom, it's right there for people to buy. And so either an existing affiliate, existing customer, or a new prospect can log into this stream, and if they click that add to cart, this is what it looks like. It's right there for them to check out on the stream. They don't have to leave the page. They don't have to go to her website. None of that. It's all replicated for everybody who promotes the stream. So we talked a little bit about this on the previous webinar that we did, but this really gives you like an amazing visual so you can kind of understand, how it's going to work. So maybe you can say something about live stream. I know.
I think this is really critical for customer acquisition because you could do an opportunity presentation, right? Or now you can do product demonstrations. I think product demos is going to be so huge for this live stream technology, because if you want to do all HempWorks one day, you get all your HempWorks products out, you can load them in so that people can buy them in real time as you're presenting and talking about the product. Or if you're doing a weight loss challenge and you've got all your weight loss products, you can demo them in real time, invite people to the presentation, and they can buy it and check out without having to leave the presentation. So I think it's just an amazing technology that Josh and his team has been able to create, and it's even really cool that it's going to be available for MyDailyChoice affiliates.
And I just want to say this too, I own a tech company, and this is one of the technologies that we built. And this technology is not going to be available to any other network marketing companies. This is a MyDailyChoice technology that we've developed specifically for MyDailyChoice. So that's why I'm really excited about it, because I think, especially for international, this is huge, because now somebody can do a presentation in like Hungarian or in Spanish or in a different language, and it's the presenter speaking and they're selling products without the need of us having to bring translators in or anything like that. It gives the affiliate the ability to really build a global business fast. So that's what I'm really like fired up about that. I think you guys are just going to absolutely crush it with this tech. All right, let's talk a little bit about gift cards. I think we may have talked a little bit about it on the last webinar, but I wanted to go into detail about it because this is another, what I feel is a game changer for MyDailyChoice. It's gift giving. And this is much different than the loyalty rewards system and wallet, much different than that program. Let me explain how this one works. As an affiliate, you have the ability to buy gift cards in your back office, okay? A $50 gift card, a $100 gift card, $150 gift card, $200 gift card. And when you buy a gift card, what happens is it gets deposited into your balance. As you can see here in the top right, it says my balance 0. And so when I buy a $150 gift card, then I have $150 in my balance. And what I can do with that balance is I can send that balance out to two types of people. The first type of person is a new person, okay? Somebody that hasn't seen MyDailyChoice yet, okay? So that's like a prospect. So if I want to give a gift to a family member, a coworker, somebody that's never heard of MyDailyChoice, this is a great way to do it. So like for my family, Josh Zwagil's family, Jenna's family that are not in MyDailyChoice, this is all they're getting for Christmas now. This is all they're getting is MyDailyChoice gift cards, okay? So that's one type of person that you can send it to, as a new person. The second type of person is an existing person. This could be somebody in your downline. If you want to treat your team, if you want to say thank you to a customer, whatever, however you want to use that with your existing downline, you can give gifts to your downline as well. And so what happens is when you enter in, all the information, the amount that you want to give, what's going to happen is they're going to get an email that looks like this. And by the way, this is our new email marketing template is going to look like this. So whatever emails we have now, gone. This is what the new email templates are going to look like for all of our system emails, broadcasts, all of that is going to look like this. And so look, it says, congratulations, Josh, you just received an MDC gift card. Congratulations. John sent you a $20 gift card to MyDailyChoice, claiming it's easy. Here's how you do it. And there's this link that they're supposed to click on. And so when they click on that link, I recorded a video for you so you can see what happens. But here's what happens and I created some pixel animation to make some confetti, some fireworks, but you can see all the confetti is going off. It's like, congratulations, huge award, right? And so what happens now is, the new person that got this email, clicked on the link, they have an option to either start as an affiliate or start as a customer. And so when they create their account, then the gift balance that I sent them gets deposited into their balance, and then they can use that money to place orders. Okay, so like Hector and I were talking about this yesterday. Hector was in the office. We were talking about this, and he was like, Josh, do you realize how big of a feature this is? He's like, when we do live events, we always try to create some sort of incentive for people to get started, like right there at the event. He's like, so, we could say like, hey, everybody gets a free $20 gift if they join now at a certain pack, right? So he was coming up with some amazing ideas on how, as a company, we could use this to really blow things up as we're starting to travel, do events, doing presentations. So hopefully you guys are really excited about this. One thing I want to add too, when they spend their gift balance, you are getting a commission. There is BV on all of the product orders that get redeemed with the gift wallet. So the way I was looking at it, I was like, man, you're telling me that I could send gifts out to my family or to my friends, and when they spend, not only did I give them a gift and they're spending on MyDailyChoice products, but I'm getting paid the commission for giving a gift. Super cool. All right. Next thing I want to show you guys is the MDC 2.0 app. So you guys are familiar that we have the MDC Genius app right now. That is going away, and we will transition into this new app. So the way it works is you enter in your MyDailyChoice username and password, and you're going to come to the second page, which it'll say, share, leaderboard, back office, team chat, contacts, notification, shop, subscription, and history. And so if they click on share, that's very similar to the current MDC Genius app, where you can share marketing assets, videos, the opportunity deck, presentations, all of that is shareable. And then if you click the little menu button, it'll open up the left-hand navigation, and pretty much everything that's in the back office you can do from the app. Okay, so there's not like a huge difference between the two. The app is fully functional to run and manage your business. And so I just pulled a couple screenshots. You can look at your entire tree in the app. You can literally take your phone and go like this and scroll through your whole tree in a graphical view. You can look at a list view and go like this and scroll through the whole list of everybody in your tree. And the chat bubbles that are in the desktop version or the back office are also in the app. If you click that little chat bubble, it takes you right into chatting with that specific person. And here's the other thing that's cool. I haven't even told you about this yet because it just happened yesterday, is we are setting it up where there will be push notifications with people chatting when they chat through the mobile app. And so, as people have their app turned off, they're going to get a push notification that says, hey, somebody sent you a message. And there's like a little notification bell that will show you all of your, like when you log in, you'll see like I have 5 unread messages or 10 unread messages. So really functional to be able to chat, connect, and build your business. All of the bonus trackers are back here. We have these really cool rank badges that, Jen and the marketing team developed. It's really cool. They kind of unlock as you hit the next one, so there'll be rank badges. Your bonus trackers are here. The global bonus pool. Like I said, everything that you see in the back office is also inside of the app. So that is the full presentation or demo that I had for you guys. I see there's a lot of exciting things in the chat.
Hey, I just want to say that it's so important that you guys get to Mastermind, okay? If we've got extra tickets and rooms left after 3 o'clock, you really want to get to the event. And the reason why is because Josh is going to demo the entire brand new system that we're going to be on. So if you want to get all the information first, if you want to get all the details on 2.0 so that you're armed and ready to roll, it's really important that you want to get to this event. So I just wanted to say that. before we kind of close out? Well, you've got a couple more things, and then I'm going to close it out.
Yeah, so just to second what Jen said, I mean, Mastermind's critical because, yeah, at this event, we're going to be talking about the whole 2.0 system. We're going to be demoing all of the tech, talking about some of the things happening with the comp plan, the gift wallet, loyalty rewards. And by the way, with loyalty rewards, your balance will be transferred when we do the migration to the new 2.0 system. There is a change happening to loyalty rewards because there's some new things we're adding with subscription pricing, and there's some really cool stuff that we're adding. But let's just talk about expectations just real quick. So when, there's going to be a period of time where the current system goes down, right? We're calling it like darkness, right? Like there's going to be like a 6 to 8 hour period where our current system is down, and during that time, all of the gears are firing for the 2.0 system. And that's going to be new, like people are going to wake up and there's going to be new corporate website, new customer back office, new user back office, all these new features at once. And so right now, there's a couple things up in the air for the launch date. Our target is early April. So we're going to spend the rest of March testing, reviewing, continuing to develop. And then, hopefully early April, we can make that target. If for whatever reason, because things happen, things come up, if that doesn't happen, then our target is to do it late April, because we are going to be doing a sale that we usually do in the month of April. So we don't want to do the migration during the sale or too close to it. So it'll either be early April or end of April based on, how things go this month in March. And another thing is, like, I'm trying my very best to make it super flawless. That's my goal, is perfection. But it doesn't always happen that way. There are glitches that happen. And so the first, 1 to 2 weeks, you may see some glitches in the back office. And I just want to say, as that happens, don't panic. There will be a place in the back office where you can report a glitch, report a problem. And then our development team, our support team, tech team, IT team, they'll all be working to get those things resolved as quickly as possible. But I have total confidence and faith that we are going to just, knock this out of the park. And I think you're going to see a brand new MDC with 2.0. I think we're going to, I said it on the last webinar. I feel like, when MDC 2.0 is here, people aren't even going to recognize the company after that. It's going to be like, wow, what happened to MyDailyChoice? I think you guys that are locked into the business right now, you couldn't be in a better place in the company. There's so many exciting things coming down the pipeline, and just really excited to unveil all of this to you guys at Mastermind. So with that said, Jen, I'm going to turn it over to you.
Okay, so just real quick to close this out, I read a quote this morning I want to share with you guys, and it's called actually the expectancy value theory of motivation. And this was created by a guy named Martin Fishbein, a 1970s psychologist. And he said, people's behavior is determined how highly the goal they have is valued and how strongly they believe they can succeed in achieving it. And I want to share that with you guys because 2 action steps to end this call is, number 1, set a brand new goal. Set a highly valued goal. And number 2, believe in it strongly. So as we're going into 2.0, I think it's now the best time ever just to set your mind straight, get your goals lined up, and get ready, because we're going into launch mode once again. And you guys heard it here first, and we're so excited to bring you guys all with us to the top. So thank you guys for hopping on, and we will see you on our next webinar. Bye, guys.
Thanks, everybody.